Hey guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel. So one thing I remember is question is called, sir, I have creating a website. I'm unable to upload the file into my control panel option, and what are the so many things are is pending in your mind. If you are your HTML website or page website, first of all, the file will be making as a documentation, making as a documentation that will be converted into zip format. So always we can convert into zip format. The zip will be uploading where in a particular cpanel option. In a cpanel, the option name is called file manager. In this file manager, public underscore HTML. So what are the file you upload? Before upload, we can check this one. This is a website. So this is complete for my channel. So guys, any of the question, you are already know this option. This will be I'm creating for beginner purpose. Who will be uploading content into the cpanel, everything. Any content we can upload in cpanel. The format is called GIF format. So first we can upload for GIF format, public under HTML. Why we can using GIF format? Individual files we can't upload will be one by one. It's taking for a long time. So that is the purpose. We have to upload will be here. That is a GIF format. Once upload GIF format, here will be reloaded. Here will be click for extract the file. Open it. Select all. Click here. What option name is? Copy or move. Click for copy. Copy the file. Just go up. File is there. Now you can refresh. So here is the web series there. So here I'm adding for information where it is called index.html edit. We can change what are the data will be here. Here will be changing will be in this. So I am fit. What are the options you can add here? Add this. Future will be here. You refresh. There will be 8 days time. We can website will be launching soon. So here the footer option. So refresh it. This add in information. So we can put it on the white. So here, what are the changes will be happening? So here I'm writing for complete code. Here is the link. So you can add here this information and click here. They go to the particular customer care for contact purpose. Here we can change any image. First of all, what is image name will be here. You can check it out. 2.jpg upload. First of all, what is the first one? Download it. Select by the image. So any changes if required, you can change it directly will be your particular option is there. So that is the option will be here is the particular thing. So here replace and here. So here we will show for contractors. In the contractors, we have to give this option name is called S2 tag. That will be we can give by here also option will be there. So yeah, easily we can come into this option. So yeah, any change, you can image anything will be changed will be here. So not visible here. You can just this option will be very important in this. So just which image will be very clarity. So that image we can add it here. So we can replace it. So suppose the image is not suitable, change your old image option. See this. Easily we can visible to the users the particular image. It's like a gym image. We can people can understand is there coming soon this option. So this future compulsory we can hear. And next will be the website will be now secure. How we can go to secure option. We can discuss about the next video section. So compulsory any website will be designed. The file will be here. The particular option will be designed in this option. So what are the file you can create here? The compulsory the files are very very important. So we can go to setting option, show hidden files. Here will be check no hidden files are there. We can now secure purpose how we can secure a website. We'll discuss in the next class option. So this is the way we can upload the content to your particular website with the particular background image purpose. Any further queries you can ask me to my channel. I definitely will support you how to optimize your complete website into the particular PHP or your particular cpanel option. The mainly cpanel to control the complete content, to upload and download content and edit the content, everything will be possible only for control panel option. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.